Hi, I'm Josh from Fort St. John, British Columbia. Today I'm testing the Heritage Waffle Maker. I've put the waffle maker through the tests by creating waffles for a few hungry children multiple times over the last few weeks. A few of the notable items about the waffle maker I enjoy most are the quantity, 4 at a time, and I love the removable non-stick inserts that make cleanup a breeze. I found it easy to clean, very easy to clean, very stylish unit. Looks attractive, folds away easily into your storage. For me, it fits nicely away in my cupboard. And let's have a look at it in action. Here I'm making waffles for the children. And those look just about ready now. Perfect. I would definitely recommend this waffle maker to my friends and family.